Good afternoon and welcome to Park Superior Sales. Behind me is a Ford Transit removal vehicle set up here by us here at Park Superior Sales. We have a white Ford Transit, low roof, 130-inch wheelbase, which I think is the perfect size for removals because it allows for a double deck system without any more added height or length, so it always fits in your garage. You have the brand new double deck system installed back here with a perforated style partition that we also added on top of it. That way the driver is always protected no matter what you're carrying in the back, but also can still see through the partition to make sure that that weird noise in the highway, everything is still situated the way that he or she left it. So you have both double deck operation here. You do still have a little bit of storage room on the side, and you also have storage room on the side walls. We can add some hooks and stuff if need be. Sliding door on this side with glass, and then you have the two barn door style rear doors here with glass as well. And then the beautiful double deck system here. So I have it raised at the moment, has a full built-in metal ramp here. That way you can bump and run with a stretcher, both on the lower deck and the upper deck. It will accommodate 4 stretchers, 2 caskets, or 2 air trays. Unfortunately, an air tray is just a few inches too wide to do side by side. However, it will accommodate the rest. You do have a built-in glove box holder on the right side for medical gloves, along with all of your beer pin holders for when you're moving some caskets here. So full easy electronic operation on the left side here. All you hit is the button up and down. 600-pound capacity on the upper deck, unlimited pound capacity on the bottom deck. I know that's a little bit of a joke, but basically this table is so sturdy it'll hold whatever the van will hold on the bottom deck. I have a lot of customers who will use this not always to move 4 bodies at a time, but to have all their tool supplies and an extra stretcher up top, and then to religiously move 2 bodies down below. So it gives you that ultimate flexibility. No matter where you are, you're always covered. This one-handed operation slides right back up, and you close the 2 barn doors behind it. So very simple operation. I like the fact that the Ford Transit also allows you to open these doors fully this way. That way you could stick this door out of the way if you need to load in a side alley or something specific. No sliding door on this side, very standard for almost all the Transits. And then you have your traditional Transit interior here with the cloth interior, telescoping column, backup camera, Bluetooth, all the bells and whistles that you'd expect from a panel van. So this is a very traditional setup here from Park Superior Sales, kind of what we rinse and repeat over and over again. It has been extremely popular. If you're looking for a different style van or strobes or stickers or a different color, we can easily accommodate it. It's basically like a Build-A-Bear. We can set it up no matter which way you'd like it. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Thank you very much, and talk to you next.